Hello everyone, welcome to this new training on Blender 2.8 and Substance Painter. For those who don't know me, I'm Julien Deville and I'm a Blender trainer approved by the Blender Foundation, and I train on this software in situ for 7 years now. You can go on my ArtStation Yogi Chopper or my YouTube Yogi Graphics channel or my Yogi Graphics Facebook page to know more about me. In this training, we will discover the process of creating science fiction assets. We will take as an example the creation of a rifle for video game. This training will allow you to discover a complete workflow and discover features of both softwares. This training is divided into 5 chapters that will follow the process of creating the basic forms to texturing and importing into a game engine. In the first chapter, we will watch in depth the specific modeling tools that we will use in Blender. Once these notions have been acquired, we will be able to proceed to the modeling of the rifle in chapter 2. In chapter 3, we will add details into the model, and chapter 4 will be in Substance Painter for texturing, and then we will come back to Blender in chapter 5 to render the project on both rendering engines, Cycles and Eevee. We will also discover how to make a complete set to experiment new forms, and we will import our final model on Sketchfab and Unity. As a bonus in this training, you will also find 2 complete models that have been produced with the same creative techniques. A complete droid and a complete mecha. These models are rigged and textured, ready to be used in your project. I do not put any restriction into it. You can just do what you want with it, so feel free to use them in your projects. The source files are included into the training and allows you to understand the entire workflow from the beginning to the end. That's it for the presentation of this new formation. In the next video, we will discover the Bool tool add-on. It will be an essential one for our workflow. Thank you for appreciating my work and good training to all.